Okay, this is our tooth whitening instructions to our patients. This is the items that you will get in your tooth whitening pack to start off with. Okay, so here's the trays. They're custom made trays, and into these trays we load this solution. So Julie, this is how you do it. Okay, so what you need to do is, before you start using this stuff, you have to brush your teeth. Okay, make sure they're nice and clean. First time you use one of these, you just take that off and you discard that part, and you put that tip on. Just hold it. It's going to sort of try and spurt out like that first up. Okay, so you brush your teeth. The next thing you do, so if you come in a bit closer, you use a minimal of this stuff, right? So about that amount per tooth, or it's a bit too much. I'll just suck that back in again. And you put it up in here. So these are the front surfaces of the teeth. You put it up near the top edge there, okay? Right. So just like that. And you just go around and you put it there, 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 and there. And the same on this side, okay?
Yep.
So once you've done all of that, you can... What I recommend is that you then pull this little syringe back a little bit, get a bit of blue tack and put it over the edge of that to seal it, and keep that in the fridge. Okay? So now you stand in front of a mirror, okay, and you go like that, sort of lift your lips and cheeks off your teeth and suck some air in. So you're drying your teeth and you seat the trays. Okay, you seat them and you look in the mirror and you make sure that there's not too much. There's no material that actually oozes out past the tray onto your gums, because it'll burn your gums. If it does, just grab your fingers and wipe it off, or a bit of wet tissue and wipe it away, and keep it like that. So I'd like you to use it for half an hour a day. Okay. If you get any sensitivity developing, skip a day.
Okay.
Okay. And get back to it the next day. So once your half an hour's over, you take that out of your mouth and just take it over to a sink, and using some cold water, and just give it a good rinse. Okay? Give it a good rinse to get all of that gel out of there under some strong water. And then you pop it back into your tray. Don't just focus on that, just you pop it back into your container there. Okay? So that's how you look after that. Now you have to be careful with these. Don't keep them in the sun. Don't put them in hot water. Okay. And once you've taken that out of your mouth, you need to rinse your mouth out. The other things you need to do is you need to go on a white diet. So avoid beetroot and curries and rich looking pastas with red sauces and the like. And we'll see in a couple of weeks. We'll take some photos again and see how your tooth whitening's going.
Okay.
Any questions?
Nope.
Okay, we're finished.